Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit in court. An affidavit is a formal, sworn written statement of facts, used as evidence in legal proceedings. It's a crucial document where you, as the affiant, declare the truth of its contents under oath. This process ensures the information presented to the court is reliable and credible. Understanding how to properly construct and present an affidavit is essential for anyone involved in legal matters, providing a clear and concise account of events or facts. Crafting an effective affidavit requires including several key elements. You must clearly state the case name, the court, and all parties involved at the top. Following this, provide your full name, address, and occupation. The core of the affidavit consists of factual statements, presented in numbered paragraphs for clarity and ease of reference. Finally, it must conclude with a sworn statement affirming the truth of the contents, followed by your signature, making it a legally binding document. The swearing process is a critical step in validating your affidavit. You, the affiant, must formally swear or affirm that the statements within the document are true to the best of your knowledge. This typically takes place before a notary public or another officer authorized to administer oaths. The notary will verify your identity, witness your signature, and then affix their official seal and signature, confirming the oath was properly administered. This step is vital for the affidavit's legal standing. To ensure your affidavit is strong and effective, remember a few key tips. Always stick to facts and avoid including opinions, speculation, or hearsay. Use clear, simple language that is easy to understand, steering clear of complex legal jargon where possible. If you have any supporting documents, attach them as exhibits, clearly referenced within the affidavit. Finally, meticulously review the entire document for any errors or inaccuracies before you sign it, ensuring its credibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.